कि तिप्रासा को नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लोगों को थोड़ा सा सीरियसली ले लीजिए, क्योंकि हम लोग ईमानदार हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग सिंपल हैं, बिकॉज वी आर ऑनेस्ट एंड वी आर सिंपल पीपल. It does not mean that we are scared of anyone. Just because हम लोग ईमानदार हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग गरीब हैं, इसका यह मतलब नहीं है कि हम लोग कमजोर हैं. We may be poor, but we are not weak. For every one Naga, I saw one outsider in Dimapur. You speak about Greater Nagaland. In your own state of Nagaland, you're flooded by outsiders. First it's Dimapur, then it'll be Kohima, then it'll be Mokokchung, then it'll be Zoniboto, then it'll be Lotha area, then it'll be Eastern Nagaland. Slowly by slowly, you are not far away. You have to stand and understand what happened to Tripura. Your fight is not your fight, it is our fight also.